Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abigail Mororu and today I am presenting my teaching tool for the BPT1501 module. The tool I created is a poster that visually explains the life cycle of a plant. This tool is designed to help learners understand how plants grow, change, and reproduce. The plant life cycle is an easy but important topic in early science lessons. It helps children learn about nature, how food grows, and how to take care of the earth. I made this poster because pictures help children learn better. When they see each stage and talk about it, they understand more easily. The colors and drawings make learning fun and interesting. It is important to teach this topic because it helps children learn to observe changes in nature, understand that plants are living things, and also see how plants grow, make food, and give us seeds. Know how to care for the environment. It is also helps them understand other topics later, like food chains and saving nature. So let's talk about each stage of the plant cycle one by one. So let's start with the first stage, which is the seed. Seeds are small, but inside they have everything needed to grow into a new plant. But a seed can't grow by itself. It needs three important things: sunlight, water, soil with nutrients. We can also help the soil with manure to make it richer. When a seed gets enough water and warmth, it starts to grow. This stage is called germination. The seed soaks up water, gets bigger, and breaks open. Then a little root grows down into the soil, and a tiny shoot grows up toward the sun. After germination, the seed becomes a sprout. This is like a baby plant, small and soft, but full of life. With care, the sprout grows into a seedling. The seedling has little green leaves and starts to make its own food using sunlight. This is called photosynthesis. With enough time, water, and sunlight, the seedling becomes a grown-up plant. The adult plant, which has strong roots, a tall stem, and many leaves. Then something wonderful happens. It starts to grow flowers. Flowers are pretty to look at, but they also do something very important. They help the plant make seeds. They help the plant make seeds. Insects, the wind, or animals move pollen between flowers. This is called pollination. After that, the flowers turn into fruit. Inside the fruit are new seeds. These seeds can fall to the ground or be carried around by animals or the wind. When the new seeds land in the soil, life cycle starts all over again. That's why we call it a cycle, because it goes around and around. Plants are very important for the earth. They give us food to eat and oxygen to breathe. They also make the world more beautiful and give homes to animals. Plants help keep our planet healthy. So, the life of a plant teaches us how nature works again and again in a beautiful way. From a small seed to a big plant that makes more seeds. The cycle never stops. the cycle never stops. My poster helps children learn by showing each stage and my poster helps children learn by showing each stage with a clear picture. Also helps children learn by using also helps learners learn by using bright colors to make it fun, helping them talk about each part, giving them something they can look at and point to. And also, it can be used in group lessons, revision activities. Children can also use it to tell the story of the plant in their own ways. There are also some fun ways to use this poster in class. Learners can tell the life cycle like a story. Children can play each stage. For example, they can curl up like a seed, then grow into a plant by acting it out. They can also draw with learners can also draw their own plant life cycle. Teachers can also teach them a song that helps them remember the stages. They can use flashcards to match the words to the right stage on this poster. These activities help children learn while having fun. These activities help children learn while having fun. And if learners don't understand, teachers can teach learners by asking them to explain each stage in their own words, by letting them draw and label the stages, by giving a worksheet with pictures to put in the right order, by doing a practical task like planting seed and watching them grow. My poster is helpful and fun tool for teaching young children. It makes the life cycle of a plant easy to see and remember. It also helps children love nature. It also helps children love nature and enjoying learning. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope this tool will help other teachers and learners explore the amazing world of the plant's life.